everyone. Today my guest is Professor Toren Finkel from the University of Pittsburgh. He has just finished his marvelous lecture on the anti-aging research and drug discovery meeting. This topic is about the small molecule therapy to reverse the aging markers. It's so nice of you. My first question is about your lecture. What are the most advantages, obvious advantages of small molecules drugs and therapies compared with those
Yeah. Well, I think most people are more comfortable with taking a pill than they are with getting someone else's blood or getting a gene therapy that may have side effects and maybe hard to reverse once it's in your body. So a pill, for the most part, lasts a day at most, and so if it has problems, you can stop, and the side effects will go away. So I think many people feel that small molecules have a lot of advantages over other therapies.
What about affordable?
Affordable too.
Yeah. What about the effects?
Well, obviously there are very effective small molecules out there. People take blood pressure medicines, people take statins. So there's a lot of great drugs. Certain targets require like antibodies or other things that's hard to do with a small molecule. But we think aging, at least many of the targets, are approachable with small molecules or drugs.
And you have mentioned about 3 ways to drugging the biomarkers of aging.
Right.
It's target on photography, increasing NAD tests,
right,
and rational senolytics. So which one is the most promising or the most affordable in the future?
Well, I think they all have promise. It's sort of like children. You don't want to pick between one versus the other. But the one that's further advanced clinically is the autophagy activator with TFEB activator, which will be hopefully in humans in about a year. The other 2, from a developmental stage, are farther behind that.
Last year we have reported one of your research to the Chinese followers that your team has identified a general mechanism of the lysosome repair that called PITT, which names after the University of Pittsburgh.
Yes.
And could you first tell about the influence or the relationship between lysosome and aging?
Yeah. So I think we believe that so the lysosome is a organelle, an intracellular compartment within the cell that is involved in the degrading of material that's been damaged in the cell. And so there's a variety of, when you look in old tissue, you see a lot of junk build up, and one possibility is that you're making more junk when you get older, but probably the more likely explanation is that you're just not as good at getting rid of the junk. And the place where you get rid of the junk is the lysosome. And so we think that there's a problem, and many other people think there could be a problem as we get older with the lysosome. It just doesn't work well. And so the effect is that trash builds up in the cell, and we think that that might contribute to aging. So any way that we can make the lysosome healthier, we think will be good for the cell.
Dr. Tan, the first author of that article, said that the next phase will be move on to verify if the pathway of PITT really works for the mice, get rid of some diseases,
right,
such as Alzheimer's.
Right.
And could you please tell us that how this experiment happens?
It takes a while to generate the animal model, so we're still in the middle of that. So we've generated mice now that have impaired PITT pathway, and we're analyzing them now, but we don't know for sure the effects yet.
And we're looking forward to the future.
Yeah, we'll be back when we get the answers.
It's so nice of you that you can accept my invitation to do this interview, and it's really fruitful of your lecture. because thinking a lot and reflect a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so much.